Are super comfortable but very big. Like when I first put them on, I was like, damn, these shoes are big. Like, welcome back to my channel. It is Kia here. I'm back again with another replica sneaker unboxing. Today I'm going to be unboxing these Balenciaga track runners in the coffee brown colorway. So if you guys want to see unboxing plus styling of these Balenciagas, then definitely keep watching this video. If you're new here, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on those post notifications because I have many videos dedicated to affordable sneaker plugs and a whole entire playlist curated, and I'm always adding to it. So definitely go check that out. And
yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of these things I don't wanna say. I wanna be around while you chase. You wanna hit me up when you make it.
First of all, I want to give a huge thank you to Ustarbiz. Thank you guys so much for sending me these reps. They are so spot on, really great quality, came in mint condition. They took about 3 to 4 weeks to come in. So here is the box. It's just gray. It's not really anything special. It's a little bit dented from traveling here, but here it is. And don't mind my nail, my one French tip. Don't ask. Just says Balenciaga on the front. On the side, it has a picture of the shoe and then all the information. Mine is in the size 40. And like I said, they're in the coffee brown colorway. And on the inside, it came with 2 pairs of laces and then a duster bag, Balenciaga certificate card, and then of course these shoes. So here they are up close. They are so cute. I've always wanted these in a white color. Ustarbiz, I don't think I saw the white on their website, so I decided to get these. I definitely had these on my list as well in the coffee brown colorway. They're just so cute to me. And if you guys are new here, then you wouldn't know, like, I really like chunky shoes. So much like overlapping detailing, which I really like. An ugly dad shoe, but like bougie, if that makes sense. And then they also have that double layering of the laces, just like, what other shoe do I have that does that? It's like my off-white Nike Dunks. I don't know, the only thing is though, just makes the laces look super chunky, which it's not that noticeable if you have baggy jeans over. Everything is all monochromatic, which is a really cute look to me. I love how the tongue of the shoe has that Balenciaga, and it's not like standing out too much, but you still see it, you know. And then on the bottom of the shoe, it says Balenciaga. Then on the back of the shoe, it says track runner. This is like the only different color on the shoe. It's in black. On the back side, it says track, not track runner. And then on it has this inside, it says Balenciaga. It also has the shoe size and tag on the inside as well. It's like gel clear detailing on the heel of the shoe. And on the front, there's like so much different detailings on the shoe that you'll miss if you don't really look at it. On the front of the shoe, it also has this 40. On the side, it says Balenciaga. It's like how you're looking down, it kind of almost looks like a gear to me. This is my favorite part about the shoe. Just makes it so unique. These are super comfortable but very big. Like when I first put them on, I was like, damn, these shoes are fucking big. Like they look huge. Some getting used to. They're definitely really heavy as well. So they have so much cushion. I don't know when I'm gonna wear these shoes because they're definitely not like everyday shoes. They're more of like event type of shoes, like pop-out shoes, you know. But they're super cute to have in your closet. If I had these in white, then I would wear them more often, but this is more of like a event shoe to me personally. But yeah, these are the shoes. I love the monochromatic look. I love just how simple. Oh, I'm gonna leave all of Ustarbiz information on the screen, as well as a discount code if I have one. Their information will be in the description box if you guys are interested. They have so many different shoes, not just Balenciaga, so definitely go check them out. And now I'm gonna show you guys how I would style these shoes. So let's get into that part of this video. So here is the outfit that I decided to wear with these Balenciagas. It's giving bossy. I don't know how I feel about the bag. I would wear this bag with the Balenciagas. I definitely would not wear a blonde wig with this outfit. It doesn't go, but this is what I would wear. This whole outfit is from Zara. This bag is from Shein, and then I'm wearing the Balenciagas. So I want to give a huge thank you so much to Ustarbiz for sending me these shoes once again. The discount code will be on the screen, and all their information will be in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Go check out my affordable shoe plug playlist for more videos like this, styling videos and shoe unboxings. See you guys in the next video.
I ride, chop the